Hey everyone, this is Brian from How3, and today I'm going to introduce you to our developer docs and also teach you how to generate a smart health link as part of the CMS Health Tech ecosystem's Kill the Clipboard use case. So currently I am at how3.com. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see the documentation link. You can also go to how3.com/docs. There's some helpful information here about the CMS Health Tech ecosystem and the Kill the Clipboard use case. But what I want to show you is the step-by-step on how you can test using How3 to generate smart health links on behalf of a patient or caregiver. Now for this demo, we're using static data and we're primarily testing the structure and syntax of a valid QR code and smart health link. So we're going to go through the steps here in the doc and I'm going to show you a live demo of it. So the very first thing is you're going to go to our page for generating it. It is over here. Then when you get there, you have a little link looks like this. All you do is click create share link. We default a lot of values for you, so you can just do that. Then after you do that, a QR code would appear that looks something like this. You can also use the Smart Health link too, and then just copy it over to your receiver. After that, if you are an EHR, you can go ahead and test using your own receiver or scanner. Otherwise, FlexBot has a very nice tool that you can use. We'll actually use that one. And then CMS also has one as well for scanning those QR codes. And then afterwards, it should go ahead and decode and decrypt that Smart Health link or QR code for you. And you should have a FHIR bundle with a patient resource, a document reference, which contains the embedded PDF, and then lastly, any optional resources that the patient decided to share. And this is an example of what it would look like when it's generated from How3. And last thing, we do have some functionality that shows you the active links that are available along with any historic links, including who accessed it and when. So I'm going to show you a quick demo of this now. We're going to start at the very top. We're going to navigate to this link. So we have it here. If you remember from step 2, all we do is go ahead and click this create share link, and below is a QR code and a link of a static patient that we have generated. We're going to go ahead and use the link directly because it's just easier right now. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go back here and use FlexBuzz tool over here. And they do have a tool that allows you to create links as well on the left-hand side. We already created that, so we're going to head and paste our link to the right. You can also type in a recipient, so this would be my EHR organization over here, and then I'm going to retrieve and decrypt. And so now we see the patient, we see the PDF that was retrieved, and then we see some additional FHIR resources along with the entire FHIR bundle that was retrieved. And if we go back to How3, this is the link over here. If we hover over this info button, you can actually see that this was requested. Let's just do it one more time with a different receiver. Another EHR organization over here, retrieve, and then if I go ahead and hit refresh, you can see that another access was done and it was viewed twice. So that is pretty much it. The only other comment I will say is that this is, again, a public way of doing it that's unauthenticated and static patient data. There is another way of generating dynamic data based on the patient that you are caring for, as How3 is a caregiving app. I'll add more documentation for that in the future. Otherwise, go ahead and give this a try and let me know if there's any questions.